Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the HyperGPT token. Ticker symbol is HGPT. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing June 12th, 12 o'clock UTC time. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the HyperGPT token. So this token just got listed June 12th, 12 o'clock UTC time. Which is almost just when I'll be uploading this video, so right in time for you guys to go check this out. This token will be listed on MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search HGPT, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So yes, June 12th, 12 o'clock UTC time. Now, if you're looking for more information about this token, their official webpage is hypergpt.ai. Over there you can find their Twitter, which is at HyperGPT, Telegram, at HyperGPT.ai. They have a Discord, Medium, Block Explorer, full white paper at docs.hypergpt.ai/HyperGPT. Now, this token is on the Binance Smart Chain. So far, only 21 holders, which is safe to assume that this token is being listed June 12th. And MEXC Global is the first or one of the first places where it will be listed. So 18 decimal places on this token and a total supply of 1 billion HGPT tokens. Their Twitter actually has 142,700 Twitter followers, and they just joined in April. So that is an insane amount of followers for a Twitter that is barely a month and a half old. Now, if you go over to docs.hypergpt.ai, you're going to find all the information you need. So it says power up Web3 with artificial intelligence. As the AI market continues to rapidly develop and hundreds of applications are released each day, there is a growing need for a marketplace platform that can bring together all of these applications and community needs. This is why at HyperGPT we have combined AI and blockchain technologies with a new concept, creating a platform that can address these needs. In short, HyperGPT platform is designed to provide a marketplace where AI applications can be bought, sold, and exchanged in a secure and transparent manner powered by blockchain technology. We believe that our platform will provide a valuable resource for developers, businesses, and individuals alike, helping to drive innovation and growth in the AI market. So this platform includes the following features. Number one, decentralized platform. As a Web3 platform, the AI marketplace would be decentralized, allowing users to transact without intermediaries. This would increase transparency and reduce transaction costs. It's got AI-powered search. So the marketplace would include an AI-powered search engine that would help users find the products and services they need more efficiently. The search engine would use natural language processing and machine learning algorithms to understand users' queries and provide relevant results. Also, smart contracts. So the platform would use smart contracts to automate transactions and ensure that all parties involved in the transaction follow the terms of the agreement. Smart contracts would also provide an audit trail of all transactions, increasing transparency and accountability. Number 4, user feedback system. So the platform would include a user feedback system that would allow users to rate and review the products and services they purchase. This would help build trust among buyers and sellers and provide valuable information for future buyers. Also, AI-powered dispute resolution. In the event of a dispute between buyers and sellers, the platform would use AI-powered dispute resolution mechanisms to resolve the issue fairly and efficiently. The dispute resolution system would be transparent and provide a clear and impartial decision-making process. Number 6, data privacy and security. The platform would prioritize data privacy and security, ensuring that the user data is protected and secure. The platform would use advanced encryption and security protocols to prevent unauthorized access to data breaches. Number 7, AI-powered analytics. So the platform would use AI-powered analytics to provide insights into market trends, user behavior, and product performance. This would help sellers optimize products and services and provide buyers with more personalized recommendations. And number 8, interoperability. Web2 AI APIs can be directly integrated into dApps or adapted from Web3 applications, but scalability and interoperability are limited. Web3 offers a network-independent infrastructure for seamless integration. An AI marketplace as a Web3 platform would prioritize transparency, security, and efficiency, using AI-powered tools to enhance the user experience and provide valuable insights for both buyers and sellers. So the utility for the token is on their webpage. You can use it as a payment method, access to premium features, reward programs. It's a governance token as well for decision-making, staking and liquidity, access to exclusive content, and a subscription model. Now, the tokenomics, it's split up between private sales, KOLs, public, team, development, advisory, marketing, rewards, reserve, and liquidity. It's got a pie chart. It's pretty evenly split almost among everything. The most is 20% going to liquidity. Then the rest is all under 20%, all split up. They have information about the token sale, IDO, their burning mechanisms, staking and farming, airdrop campaigns, roadmap, when they're going to release all those utilities. They have the hyper solutions like HyperStore, HyperSDK, Hyper NFTs. They have a market, product section, AI and blockchain section. You can find all of this at docs.hypergpt.ai, and you can find this token newly listed as of June 12th, 12 o'clock UTC time on MEXC Global. So check out that MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. If you don't have an account, make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there and leave a comment. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think it's a good investment or not? Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.